Life is like a journey, it can change anytime. The place you are staying today is not about after 5 years or 10 years you are going to stay on the same place. God knows where are you going to stay after 5 years or 10 years. Or you can say, this is my permanent job. I'm not going anywhere. There is something happened on your company or a small mistake you done. So you can get fired on that company. It gives you pressure to find a new job, and you have got new people now. So people you are spending time now at work is not about after 5 years or 10 years you have got those people. Sometimes it's death, other people are dying. So you have to know that life is like a journey. Even at school, people you spend time at school or you is a classmate, those people at primary, when you go on secondary, it's not the same friend you are playing with. Even at college, at university, that life is because after 10 years or 10 years there is different people you are seeing. Some of the people are good people, some of the people are bad people. Even the place you stay, you know that now you can say, this is my place, or you are content with a place you are staying at, villages or whatever you are staying. Sometimes you are staying at suburbs. It's not about you are permanent on where you are staying. God can change your life anytime, or maybe that house can be burned, or maybe to be break something. You can change, you go again to stay at villages. You understand? Life is like a journey. People you spend time with, it's not about people you spend time with after 10 years. So you have to be careful to tell everyone your secrets, because after 10 years or 5 years, you are not going to be with those people. Some of the people, they say you are friends for a long time. How you separate with your friend, what, because it's long time, or maybe you are friends, you are still young. Now it's growth. Growth is the reason why they are changing friends, they are changing people to spend time with. It's life. So sometimes you have to know that God knows where are you going, where are you going to stay. Sometimes you can be worried that you are losing your job, but God knows that there is something better, or God want to transfer you in a better place to see something better. You know that to change places to stay, it's very good, or to change countries. Sometimes you can say you are going to be in your country, you are not going to be in another country, but there is something gives you pressure, or you got a job outside the country. It can give you pressure, and you learn something different on those countries.